Hello everyone, welcome to Logical Riddles. The boy with the black shirt. Bharat was on his way to an interview. On the way, he encountered his long lost cousin Ajay, whom he hadn't met for more than a decade. They started catching up on lost time. Bharat learned that Ajay had three sons. He asked about their ages. To this, Ajay replied that you are going for an interview, right? Consider this a trial question. Figure out their ages from this. The product of the ages of my three sons is 36. To this, Bharat grumbled and said, I need more information. Ajay then pointed to a signboard across the street that displayed the address of the area and said that the sum of the ages of my three children is equal to the last two digits of the pin code of the area. Yet, Bharat demanded for more information. Finally, Ajay said, my eldest son wore a black shirt today. This is all I can tell you. What were the ages of the three children? You have 10 seconds to answer the question. Answer. According to clue 1, the product of their ages is 36. This shows that the possible combinations for their ages are as follows. According to clue 2, the sum of the ages of his three children were equal to the last two digits of the pin code of that area. On adding the numbers in each possible combination, we get the following cases. If you study all the cases carefully, you would notice that only in the combination where the ages of the children is 166 or 229, the sum of the ages is common, which is 13. Also, Bharat knew the pin code of the area. That means if the pin code of the area was 38, 21, 16, 14, 11 or 10, Bharat could have easily told all the three ages of the children. However, Bharat demanded for more information. This shows us that at least two sums of the combinations of the ages of the children should be equal. So, the sum of the ages of the children should be 13 and so is the pin code. Also, the combination of the ages of the children can be 166 or 229. According to clue 3, Ajay's eldest son wore a black shirt that day. According to this clue, the only possible ages of the children is 9 to 2. This is because in this case there are two people who can be the eldest son. This is because in this case there are two people whose age is 6 years. So the combination 9 to 2 is the only possible combination. Hence, Ajay has a son whose age is 9 years and has twins which have an age of 2 years each. Please like and subscribe to our channel to encourage us to make more videos like this.